Where the earth breathes fire. Imagine standing at the edge of a mountain so alive it rumbles beneath your feet. A faint hiss rises from the ground, the smell of sulfur fills the air, and suddenly the earth exhales fire. Volcanoes are not just mountains, they are the planet's heartbeat pulsing with molten rays from deep within. From the icy peaks of Chile's Ojos del Salado, the world's highest volcano, to the tropical island of Barren Island in India, where fire meets the sea, every country has its own story of creation and destruction. Some of these fairy giants sleep peacefully for centuries, while others awaken without warning, shaping landscapes, wiping out civilizations, and giving birth to new worlds. The Deccan Traps in India once spewed so much lava that it changed Earth's climate, and may have even helped wipe out the dinosaurs. Across the Pacific, Japan's Mount Fuji stands as sacred symbol of beauty and danger. In Italy, Mount Etna glows red at night, a living torch of Europe. Hawaii's Mauna Loa, the largest volcano on Earth, quietly expands the islands inch by inch. Each nation's tallest or most powerful volcano tells a tale of myths, gods, and the raw power beneath our feet. Some rise high above the clouds, others hide beneath the oceans, waiting for the moment when the earth decides to roar again. So join us as we journey across continents, from Asia's fiery giants to Africa's ancient craters, from Europe's sleeping titans to the Pacific's island infernos, exploring the largest volcanoes from different countries and the incredible forces that make our planet truly alive.
It's not a game, it's a